Who's excited?
Hi everyone, I just finished a call with a client and we were talking about her favorite snacks. She mentioned after 8 mint sticks and I was like, oh my goodness, I love these. I have to make some right now. So I came up with a recipe and I'm gonna share it with you today.
First step is melting some chocolate and then spreading to a thin layer and cooling it in the freezer.
Next, we are gonna make the filling. So the filling is gonna be icing sugar, a little bit of water, and all right, let's try this again. So here I have some icing sugar. We're gonna add some peppermint extract. So just be really careful because a little bit goes a long way. I usually just put some on a lid and then I'll just put it into the water. And then from here, we're gonna pour this into icing sugar and just give it a stir. So it should be nice and thick like this. And now we're gonna spread this onto the chocolate layer.
While the mint layer is hardening the freezer, we're gonna go ahead and melt the chocolate over a double boiler. Add a touch of neutral oil to the melted chocolate to give it a softer consistency even after it's hardened.
Now the mint layer is hard, okay, as you can see. And so now we're gonna pour our melted chocolate over top.
Final step is to harden the freezer and then carefully cut into thin squares. And voila! Make sure to store in the freezer so you don't end up eating the entire batch at once. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and until next time, relish every bite.